Hello guys, my name is Shweta. I am a yogi and a traveler. I have been practicing meditation and yoga since a few years now. You can follow me more on my Instagram. I leave it somewhere on the screen. This is my first YouTube video ever, and I just thought, why not we start it with some positive vibes. So here I am to tell you today how to play a singing bowl. Singing bowls are known to induce positivity in you and your environment, thereby reducing all the stress around. This is also a very good tool while meditation. You can play it before meditation, and I also like to play once I finish my meditation. This is the singing bowl that I have. They comes in various sizes, but I think this is the good one for the beginners to start with, because this is something that rests easily on your palm and has a loud enough sound. This one I bought from a monastery in Darjeeling in Northeast India, and if you want to buy for yourself, you can find more details on that in the description section below. When you keep your singing bowl in your palm should be straight like this. You keep it over your palm. So if it's like if you are a right-handed person, you keep it in your left palm and hold the stick with the right hand. And if you are a left-handed person, you'll keep it in right palm and hold the stick with the left palm. But I am a right-handed person, so I will keep it in my left palm and hold the stick from the right. Okay. So make sure that your palm is straight, as otherwise if you keep your fingers like this, they'll generate a friction for the bowl. So when you keep your bowl over your palm, you hold the stick with your right hand with your fingers and your thumb, and then you strike the bowl once. So striking the bowl will bring all the sounds out from the bowl. So strike once and start moving the stick around the bowl, and as long as you continue to rotate the stick, the sound will start coming and soon will build into a much louder sound. Okay, so let's do it. So as you can see, the sound remains in the environment even when you stop rotating the stick. And once you will start rotating the stick, there will not only be the sound, but you will also experience vibrations inside your body and in the environment. This sound is known to release the stress from the environment, and you will soon start feeling very peaceful and calm. The bowl is crafted in a way that it combines many tones, thereby producing the sound of Om. This sound has great healing capacity and also helps in rewiring your brain, thereby connecting you to your subconscious mind. Sometimes when you play this bowl, you may experience a scorching sound, something like this. I'll show you. So you play it like this. Did you notice? I'll show you again. Yes. Okay. Whenever this happens, you actually need to slow down on the stick, and you can then again pick up on the speed gradually. Let's try it one more time. Well guys, make sure to hit like and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram at Smoke a Thought. I'll also leave the link in the description section below. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.